Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use our new feature. It's a feature filter that we've added to the VIN Decoder. I'm going to use a VIN here for a 2019 Toyota Camry. Hitting search and it pulls up that it is in fact a Camry. And our search results show us that we have a lot of data on this particular vehicle, and it gives us two options, and the two options are pretty easy to differentiate. So that's why we've added this filter down here at the bottom. So you will click on the filter, and then it's going to ask you questions to be able to choose which windshield you need to order. So, for example, this one has either lane departure or lane departure and heads-up display, and it's asking you to confirm with your customer if the vehicle has heads-up display, and explains how to explain that to your customer. These questions will be the same for every manufacturer, so you can use it to figure out the windshield easily. But at the bottom here, you can select yes or no. If, say, you can't get a hold of your customer or you're just not sure, you can click not sure. But for this example, I'm going to click yes, and it takes away the part that has heads-up display, or it shows the part that has heads-up display. So this would be the part that you need to order, so you don't have to ask support for the help. But say you accidentally clicked on that, you can use the filter again, and this time I'm going to click no, and then it shows me the other part that it would be, which is the one that only has lane departure. And finally, if you don't have, if you can't get a hold of your customer, or you don't have the time to, or whatever the reason may be, on the filter, you can click not sure, and then it'll still allow you to tell me the exact part number, send it into support, and they will check it and respond back to you. This filter feature will be on a lot more of our parts, a lot more searches. So you will start to see this on a lot of your searches. So use it. It'll allow you to get an answer faster by asking your customer while you have them on the phone. You can send them the link for the YouTube video to confirm the part number. We will be continuing to add pictures as well. So here is a picture of the windshield. Here's the picture of this 4786 that shows and has the arrows pointing to it. So you could send those to your customer. Just good way to confirm with your customer 100% to make sure you order the right windshield. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to let us know. Thanks.